Oh yeah, you better believe I'm still awake. I am a night owl. Woo woo. And I had a coffee at like 4:45 after I saw the puppies. Dunkin' Donuts coffee tastes so good in my opinion. Um, okay, so, what was his name? Was it Blake? Somebody commented. I'm sorry. I'm tired. And he said, look at the 5-minute chart. So this is my 2-minute chart where I actually made the trade. This is what I was seeing. And I want to see the difference with the 5-minute chart. I've been meaning to use the 5-minute chart because let's do interval doesn't have started. No. I've been meaning to use the 5-minute interval because Roland uses it. Let's investigate. So he said this candle was a reject of a double top here. Okay, I agree with you. No, I was just thinking for a second, like wouldn't a morning panic have a rejection? Wouldn't it be a panic? That I'm a little confused about. Like, it double topped. How can you tell the difference between a double top rejection fail and a morning panic? You know what? I wrote down in my book today, my new notes book. I learned this really cool thing. Tim said, this is from Trader Checklist part of video number 3. The best morning panics come from stocks that have been up for days, weeks, months with no dips or crashes for people to dip by. And that's not what happened here. This was only up for one day. And so if you look at it like, this was a double top and it's a reject, then I don't think it has that much of a momentum to keep going based off of what Tim said in that video. Now, so here, right? Because my entry was 516, so this candle is still higher than this one, showing a trend change. However, I do see that this is the same top on this chart. So it just kind of bumped its head right here on this point. This support level became resistance, and but let's look at this 2-minute chart because I think it looked different on the 2-minute chart. Hold on. Yeah, on the 2-minute chart, this candle went higher. Actually, I'm going to move this little line up. Okay. So this was support, became resistance, but the thing that tripped me up that is different on this chart is that little teeny weeny bit of space where I thought this was a trend change in the upward momentum, but if we look at the 5-minute chart, no. Where am I? but in the 5-minute chart, these are the same. So I might not have taken the trade if I was looking at the 5-minute chart. Also, so this was where, let me check my thing again of where Tim entered. I want to see how his entry plays out on, he got in at 464 at 1042. 1042, 464. So like right there, and this looks like a double bottom, and it's got some volume, green candles, and then he sold 1050 at 490. So like right there. I'm just thinking to myself, like, why did he sell it so soon? This had maybe, no, but it was 1050. I don't know if this candle was there, like if this candle was there, or maybe he was watching level 2 and he saw it was turning. But this was pretty much the high point before it just kept going down. Like I said before, this stock didn't do what I thought it was gonna do, so excuse me, it's a no play for me in the future unless, I don't know, something else happens. So it's really interesting to me to hear other people's perspectives in the comments. Like, I remember for SHLDQ, some people were really interested in thinking it would go up, and it hasn't gone up, and some people think this will go up, and I have no idea, but it's just interesting to hear people's perspectives and why, and to try to learn from it. I think this dip from 420 to 470 or even to 448, this was another cool little money grab. Even, one second, let's see where the bottom is of this guy. 482. I think this one was good too. Let's check out 15 minutes, shall we? 15 minutes is even weirder. I wouldn't really know how to play 15 minutes. See a bottom there. These match up perfectly, like oops, hold on. Like, I really love, these are not trend lines, these are, can someone tell me what these lines are? So, support, breaks through support, bumps its head, and then that's it. Keeps boing like a ball that fell through a floor. So that's interesting too. I don't know, I gotta practice looking at different time periods, but based on the fact that I've seen Roland play the 5-minute chart so many times, and like this 5-minute comment, there's definitely things to learn about different time periods. It would be so cool if I could just have a room full of monitors and or You know what would be cool? If when I was looking at a stock, like there would be 4 squares of all those time periods and then like a daily chart and then something else. I just can't figure that out. But if I could, that would be my next move, to like look at it in different things. Alright, that's it. I'm rambling. Bye. Thanks for watching.